Stop wasting your time by scrolling, bro. If you want to change your English speaking skills, start with your own words. Huh? Today I learned only three English words. Simple words but strong meaning. Number one word is resilient. Resilient means mentally strong. I stayed resilient even in my hard times. Word number two is consistent. Consistent means, what do you know? Consistent means doing something for every day. Like I am consistently making video. Word number three is improve. Improve means doing better yourself daily. I'm improving myself daily. So if you want to change your English speaking skills, start only with a small portion, bro. Because this small portion turn into a big thing and change your English speaking skills. Try out this, please.